Good morning, dear students. Open your SST book, lesson number 4. As we have done reading of lesson number 4 till page number 33, today we will continue from page number 4. We were doing reading of national events. So now we will start from Independence Day. We celebrate Independence Day on 15th of August. It is on this day that India became independent in 1947. The Prime Minister of India hoists the national flag at the Red Fort in New Delhi. On this day, we remember all the freedom fighters who fought for the freedom of India. Already you people know that every year we celebrate 15th of August as our Independence Day of India, because on this day our country became independent from the Britishers. On this day, Prime Minister hoists the flag at Red Fort in New Delhi. I told you about Republic Day also, that on that day, on the Republic Day, President hoists the national flag, but on the Independence Day, the Prime Minister hoists the national flag at Red Fort. On this day, we remember all the freedom fighters, those have given their lives for to get freedom. So always we remember them also. Next is Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd of October every year. It is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi, the father of the nation. On this day, a prayer meeting is held at Rajghat, the Samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi. As you know that who is the father of our nation? Mahatma Gandhi. We always celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd of October every year, as it is the birthday of our national father, as our father of nation, Mahatma Gandhi. On this day, we organized a prayer at Rajghat, the Samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi. Social events. Social events spread awareness about social issues like environment, earth, health, etc. Let us read about a few social events. As you know that we all live in a society, so it's our duty towards our society to keep it clean and green. That's why we celebrate some social events to aware the people about this. World Earth Day. Earth Day is celebrated on 22nd of April. It is celebrated to spread awareness about our planet and what we can do to keep it healthy. People pledge to use less energy and treat waste and garbage carefully. On which planet we people are living? On the Earth. Our planet is Earth. We are living. And we celebrate Earth Day on 22nd of April every year, as we take pledge to use less energy and treat waste and garbage carefully, so that our earth should be clean and we can live a healthy life. World Environment Day. World Environment Day is celebrated on 5th of June every year. On this day, people all over the world organize parades and marches spreading awareness about our environment. Children and adults plant trees and clean up their local areas. People also discuss about recycling to reduce waste. We all take steps to make the earth clean and green. It was first celebrated in the year 1973. World Environment Day we celebrate on 5th of June every year to aware the people about the environment, to grow the more and more trees to keep our earth and our environment clean and green. People also discuss about recycling to reduce waste, means we also try to reduce the waste by recycling. We all take steps to make the earth clean and green. It's our duty to keep our earth clean and green. So we should have we should have to plant more and more trees to keep our earth clean. It was first celebrated in the year 1973. You have to remember it. That when it will start, it will be started from year 1973. Now, International Day of Yoga. International Day of Yoga is celebrated on 26 June every year. You know that exercise is very important for our health. That's why we celebrate 21st June as International Day of Yoga. Yoga is a form of exercise that is good for the mind and the body. But in yoga, it is a form of exercise to keep our body and mind fit and healthy. It originated in India many years ago. It is celebrated to spread awareness about the many benefits of yoga. Why we celebrate it? To get the benefits of yoga. Teachers Day. It is a special day for our teachers. It is celebrated in India on 5th September on the birthday of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He was the President of India and was a great believer in education. Children wish and thank their teachers on this day. Already, beta, you know that every year we celebrate Teachers Day on 5th of September in the memory of on the birthday of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan because he was a good educator and he was the President of India also. To remember them, we always celebrate 5th of September as a Teachers' Day. Children wish and thank their teachers on this day. Children's Day, it's your day, already you know that. You celebrate it on 14th of November. Children's Day is celebrated on 14th of November in India. It is celebrated on the birthday of our first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru. He loved children and the children lovingly called him Chacha Nehru. Children have lots of fun on this day. Beta, you know that Children's Day is celebrated on 14th of November. It was the birthday of our first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru because he loved the children very much and the children called him as Chacha Nehru. Children have lots of fun on this day. Already you know that when you attended the school, you have fun on that day. Now that you have read about so many family, national and social events, can you mark them on this year's calendar? Beta, we read about many things in this chapter. So now you will mark everything on the calendar so that you can get more information about the calendar that how you can use it. Okay, sum it up. Listen carefully. Calendar is a tool used to mark the passing of time by dividing it into years, months, weeks, and days. It is difficult to remember all the dates and events. Therefore, a calendar is used to mark the important dates and events. Family events like birthdays and weddings are celebrated with family and friends. Three main national events celebrated in India are Republic Day, Independence Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. Some social events celebrated by people are World Earth Day, World Environment Day, International Day of Yoga, Teachers Day, and Children's Day. One milestone is also given on this page. On a calendar, mark the following events. You will read it carefully and mark these all events on the calendar. Your homework is you will read chapter number 4 thoroughly, learn brain gain. Thank you. Have a nice day.